the skipper.
Yeah, there's certain sense of style, certain sense of...
Wow, gives the charge. What a way to get off the mark, using his feet and caressing that through the cover region. What a shot. Elegance personified. A touch of class in that straight drive. Signs of aggression early on by the fielding side. Direct hit. Was Manoj a little slow to get back
down? That's what we're talking about. N. Manoj, been given a chance in his debut game, has to walk off without even facing a ball. Yeah, this is what we're talking about. He's saying no, but Manoj still accelerated and very slow to turn. By the time he turned...
Beautifully improvised, using his feet and playing that over covers. Yeah, he's played that nicely, just coming inside the line, has played it fine. Work to do for the fielder in the deep. He won't be able to cut it off. I reckon that's hit the cushions as well, so back-to-back boundaries here. Nicely played, poor fielding, that'll be 4. When he strikes it, he hits it so hard with firm hands. Nicely struck. There's protection in the deep, there's long off, but he goes much straighter here, Dhruva. Oh, he stopped this one. Somebody needs to go for it. It should be taken, and it's been pouched as well. Saurabh strikes, Stephen takes the catch, and Dhruva has to depart.
Good bowling and great fielding as well. Stephen called for it. He said, hang on. That's a very good shot. And the boundary comes in there. The little field over the boundary line.
What a shot. Stand and deliver. That is wide and outside off. And how beautifully he gets on top of that, Avinash. Another cracking boundary.
That's nicely played. Short and wide, and took it full advantage of it. Avinash. Shot. Yes, it is straight. Oh, what a catch it was. What a blinder of a catch. He set the trap, and Avinash fell into it straight away. Nothing wrong in the shot. He middled it beautifully. But look at him running in and...
Pulls it. That's in the gap as well. And that's going to race away. It's going to be a 4 to end the over. Ending the power play as well. 6 overs done. The 50 up for Rayalaseema.
Oh, there it is. It was in his arc. It was in the slot, and it went out for a GMR maximum. Wonderful hitting. That is what they needed as the last ball. 8 overs, 70 for 3. The Rayalaseemas.
The strike really nicely picked up as well. Slow delivery, but they have to be dispatched. And does that pretty well, Sathwik. Has gone the distance. There were 2 men in the deep. But both were mere spectators. Lovely strike. That's really smoked on the onside. Nicely played. That should have been fielded. That's going to be a 4. Slight room offered. Cutting that much. Siddharth is not very happy with that effort. Goes for the big one. Big heave on the onside. And that's a good connection as well. And it's gone all the way. GMR 6 coming from the blade of Sathwik. As well, he's delighted.
Sathwik is a big hitter, surely. He got under the ball and smashed over mid-wicket. It was in the slot. The ball was in the slot and went for a maximum.
That's going to be Rashid's 116. This time over the long-off region. And that's going to be another 6 as well. Another GMR 6 from the blade of Sathwik. Back, and he's been really treated not very well here. Back-to-back.
He's bowling too quick. It's a boundary, another boundary. He gave him ample weight, cut the ball, passed, shot, third for 4.
First game back live. Nicely cut away. Third up in the circle, that's a 4. Rashid's playing a measured innings, showing a lot of maturity. He's holding one end.
The Royals of Rayalaseema nicely clipped by Rashid. Oaring in line and putting him away.
That's a very good strike. And that's out of here as well. What a hit. That's the GMR maximum. Certainly will also be a contender.
Clean hitting there by Sathwik. He came into a situation. Score match number 10. This time tries to go over long on. Doesn't get decent connection. And the 4th wicket down here.
The second spell.
Yeah, didn't quite get the sweet spot of the bat and it landed straight into the palms of the fielder who didn't have to move an inch.
Class. And here, Girinath showing his class. Once again, the off spinner continuing. Slice there, deep third, deep point. Once again, an excellent catch. We've seen two brilliant catches.
Toshit, the bowler, bowled that wide, and look at that for an effort and a catch. Spectacular. Brilliance in the field, ball dying on him, keeping his eyes on the ball.
That's nicely bowled. Beautifully. That is what I'm saying. He gives a lot of room on the offside. That is the place to play. Use the pacer's ball, just rock back and cut for 4. And this is 239th boundary. And with this, he completes his 50. Rashid. A well-made 50. But he needs somebody at the other cut. That's what I'm saying. The quicker you bowl, easier it is for the batter. Yeah, that's a good thinking. Gave him the charge, smash past for covers for 4. That is what they need. They want to accelerate now.
Once again, Clobber. That's a big one. That's a majestic shot from the blade of Rashid. And it's gone some distance now.
His base is inning perfectly. He played along the ground, but now he's hitting the huge ones. He's showing all his critics that I can hit big. I need be. But I've got a different team where Oh, there it is. It was a low full toss, but smashed over bowler's head for 4. There it is, up in the air, straight to the fielder who made no mistake. He's trying to hit the ball big. He was trying to slog. He was trying to accelerate maximum shortly. But this did not middle it. Found the log off fielder who made no mistake.
Oh, that's a big one. That's out of the park here. Lovely strike from Harsha. He's really turning it around.
It was a low full toss. But look at him how well. Look at the speed of the bat. Look at the follow through. And look at the timing. Went for a match.
Once again, easing it. Beautifully done there. Deft touch. Just using the pace of the bowler. Just gliding that one.
The onside. Yeah. Oh, that's very ordinary fielding. Very, very ordinary fielding. Would have been not even a single.
Last ball of the innings. Right in the block hole once again. That's put away. There's the field in the deep. They're coming back for the second as well. And they'll complete those 2 runs. That's the end of the innings. The Royal Seema getting to 191 for the loss of 6 wickets. The target is going to be 192 now for the Warriors.
Avinash, 16. And then Satvik and Rashid has 70 plus partnership. And then this partnership came in between. This is the batting card. Stephen 4 overs 44 with a bit expensive. But Boulder last over was quite good. Toshit Yadav picked up 2 wickets, so he didn't start.
Very lucky to get away with that one. 4 for the taking was written all over it. As he found the fielder at mid-off. Yes, soft dismissal. The ball may have climbed on him. Naneshwar. Royal Seema strike.
And it's Rashid, the skipper, at mid-off. He'll be delighted with his first blood. Finally getting one in the center of the bat. Hopefully for Samanu. Yes, first boundary for him. Really had both his feet off the ground. Living dangerously is Samanu. And this time, once again, he'll have to return to the pavilion.
His horrid run of form continues in APL Season 4. Tried to slash at it hard. Got a leading edge and a very fine catch taken in. That's high up in the air. Cries of catch it. Fielder getting underneath. Will take a special effort. And it's been taken. What a catch. And it's their captain, Sheikh Rashid.
We've seen 2 high-quality catches, make it 3 now. And this time it's Sheikh Rashid, the skipper of the...
He stoppage this one. Another opportunity. He'll take a special effort. That runs away for a 4. Almost got there. Never easy. Inside out. That'll go the distance as well. That's the GMR maximum. Just breaking the shackles, Yamahi.
For a bowling change. And here they have one in the arc. Brilliant position there by Mahib. He's always looked to give them that all-deserved opportunity like this for Anand. An opportunity was presented, held his shape, and a neat 6. First 6 for Anand, end of the over.
He's gone for it once again, launches, another fielder comes under it, and this time the catch will be taken. Sheikh Rashid, the captain, gets another catch in this match.
Oh, that's up in the air, is it? Yes, a welcome boundary for Tungabhadra Warriors. It was half-tracker, pulled for 4 after 21 balls.
Yeah, he's tried once again, this time over extra cover. And another boundary here. 2 successive boundaries for MK Datta. Yeah, you got a whack. He's taking on the fielder and he does really well. Top stuff here.
Absolutely. It's second 6 from his bat. It was a length delivery. Slog swept over mid-wicket for a maximum.
Looking good are the boys from Rayalaseema. But here MK Datta is putting on a show for the Tungabhadra Warriors.
Another GMR maximum 6, lovely strike as well. Is going down the ground. This is a slot for him, but lovely, majestic shot there. Shot at time. This time once again down the ground. Another maximum. He's dealing in 6s here. And he's taken a liking for Ashish at the moment. 216 tournament 6s.
Required 2 back-to-back 6s. The strong MK Datta. He's been good behind the wickets and now in front of the wicket, putting on a show is MK Datta.
That's up in the air. That should be taken. The keeper calling very early. He's swirling underneath and takes that one. And that's the wicket they wanted. Venu, he strikes here.
Yeah, he called early, the wicketkeeper. First pace-off option taken by Venu. And couldn't really encounter that angle there, Datta. Called early. Using his feet and clean strike here by the skipper. It's coming our way. Excellent hit. Second 6er for Mahip.
Safest area is the same. Went really high. Got the distance and also along with that, getting the elevation. Lovely connection. Just where we are sitting, just below that, the ball landing on the onside. That's a lovely shot in the gap as well. That's going to be a 4. Racking shot there from G. Rohit. He can strike well. Exactly what he's showing here.
Yeah, nicely done this by Mahip. An error in line and made good use of by Mahip Kumar.
Once again, Upesh, man the deep, and he pouches that one. And that's an important wicket. Mahip as well, he's got to go back. Got that boundary and then once again trying to go for the big one. He's disappointed. He's not very happy with that shot that he's played.
As we are building up, it looks like curtains down for the Tungabhadra Warriors. It's Rashid. Once again, wide near the tram line. He's circling under it. Once again, pouches. A neat grab. Sasikant off the very first delivery will have to return.
Vision from him. Just slicing that one, went high up in the air as well. Had to cover some distance there and does pretty well. That's in the air. And this time a fielder coming underneath and pouches that one. So finally getting that wicket, Girinath. And Saurav has to go back. Balls here, losing the 8th wicket, the Warriors.
And hence we felt that single was really strange.
The fact that 8 wickets down, there's no one to strike, but this looks big and massive. That's the GMR 6 of the match.
Massive, huge, humongous. He knew it the moment he struck that. Has it come a little too late in the day? That's the question. That asking rate over 15, 73 out of 29.
Yeah, one more, and pack that for another 6. They're not giving up as of yet.
Himself, and out she went into the stands, disappeared. 2 powerful strikes in the first 3 deliveries.
One more, straight over the bowler. This is power pack hitting here. 220 at 6 of this tournament. And it doesn't look like it's going to stop.
Of 6 hitting. All the fielders run to the bowler here. There again, just loading himself beautifully deep in the crease. Part of the package. Picked that up. Straight to the fielder. On the second attempt, takes it as well. Siddharth has to depart and suck it with his 3rd wicket.
Slowly and steadily. Again, a little short pitch. Didn't time that really well. Reached out for the ball. and the fielder didn't have to move at all. Could just about be coming here. And he's just missed that. The captain, I reckon, Sheikh Rashid, who's had 4 catches. See that?
Yeah, he may have lost it in the lights, is what he's trying to convey to the bowler too. Good enough for him. Just avoided that as well by the end of it. Look at that. Oh, so close.
Yeah, one more. This time Sheikh Rashid will take it. 5th catch for him, and that is the end of the match here. They bowled out the Tungabhadra Warriors for 140 runs, and Royals of Rayalaseema finally get their first victory in the Premier League.
Lovely catch. 5 catches for the captain, a 50 as well. It is a confirmation. 3 batters getting to 30s, but they couldn't really translate that into big scores. A couple of knots. Opening combination has been a bit of a concern.
And got over the line. It was the bowlers, in fact, Rinath Reddy, Saket Ram, with a pick up the lot. 3 wickets each to them, and then Royals of Rayalaseema put up 191 at the loss of 6 overs in 20, and then the Tungabhadra Warriors came back and couldn't chase that down.
What was your plan this match?
Just I applied my batting. My plan used to play a situation like I have to take a deep, so that we plan in team meetings and all. So I just done my role, a good job. But unfortunately, yeah. How's yours?
So basically, last game was not up to the mark. So I've been working from the past 2 days, working on areas where I could get better, and I really got it delivered at the right time. I'm really glad that happened.
Really, you bowl really well. Like that's slow balls. That's really nice to looking to see. Let's keep doing it. Every match, every ball, every.
Skipper.
Okay.
Nice. Cheers.
Back by his partner, the skipper.